Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you and I hope you are really doing great, right? So market was super volatile. I never expected Nifty and even not only Nifty, all the indices. If you see, Nifty alone has gone. Nifty, we were trading, in fact, we were trading Nifty mid cap and we were in a huge loss, right? Of course, till 3 p.m. Before 2 p.m. we were in good profit, and this 3 p.m. moved wiped everything. And this is all happening. The funny part is that everything is happening in spite of India VIX being very low. You know how much India VIX is today? It is around 10. Maybe it went below 10. It's just up by 0.83%, and today morning it was up by more than around 5 or 6 or even 7%. It was up by 7%, but at the end of the day it was just it was down by 7%. I'm sorry, it was down by 7%. And end of the day, in spite of all this volatility, we are seeing India VIX at around maybe 10. It just raised around 0.83%. So why is this happening? And you know that there is a very long weekend. In fact, not long weekend. We have a very local weekend. Tomorrow is a local holiday, but US markets are going to be open tomorrow. So we are going to. Nobody wants to keep their positions, and that is why they would have squared off. But otherwise, FIA DIA data is showing something else. Look at the way it has fallen from 2 p.m. from around 19,450 levels almost to around 19,200 levels, right? 200 around 150 or 160 points move in just maybe half an hour, maybe 1.5 hours, right? And you don't get the premiums are almost none, zero premiums. How do you expect to trade in this kind of market, right? That is a problem with this expiry day trades. And not only expiry day trades, even positional trades are kind of not working. I really don't know what is the hangama here. And let me show you the screen. And in fact, if you see the FIA data, this is the FIA data, and FIAs have both FIAs and DAs. Today's data, if you see, both FIAs and DAs are net buyers. FIAs, DAs have bought for 8,022 crores, and FIAs have bought for 8,229 crores. That is very amazing, right? You expect the market to fall. I was thinking, like when the market was falling, I was thinking either the FIAs or the DAs would have sold heavily, but it is very unfortunate. It is very surprising that both FIAs and DAs are net buyers. And what do you think is going to happen on Wednesday? Today is Monday, Tuesday is holiday. Maybe Wednesday we have a Banknifty expiry. We don't have expiry, because Banknifty, this is monthly expiry. So Banknifty expiry will be shifted to Nifty Thursday. So we might not have any expiry. So you might see a sideways market. And in terms of market, I have been saying that for last maybe 2 or 3 or even 5 trading session, that the likelihood of that the markets are kind of will come down. And if you see Nifty has almost touched its saturation point. So let me draw a line here. If you see here, we are almost at the support level. So today's low is around 19,255, and that is where you have seen lots of price action previously. So 31st August you have seen there is a rejection and market went on the higher side, and you can see there is a breakout on July series, and market went up towards 19,850. It came down almost to 19,250. Then there was a rejection. It touched a lifetime high, and we are on the downside. Now what do you see from this one? So if you observe this chart, so you can see that this is this August 20th July is going to be the left shoulder, and this is 14th September is going to be the this one. Yeah, let me draw and show you so that you get an idea. So this one This is going to be the first shoulder, and this one is going to be the second shoulder, and this one is going to be the third shoulder, right? So head and shoulder pattern is being formed, and that is what I have told. And some people were saying it is not head and shoulder pattern, it is a double top formation, but I can clearly see that there is a formation of head and shoulder, right? So the probability of the market coming down is very, very high. Now if you ask me where can it come, what is the downside support, that is the main question here. So downside support can be around 19,000 or even 19,800 to 19,900, or let's say 19,000 levels. 19,000 level is going to be a very, very stiff support for Nifty going forward. So let us see how things work out. As I talk to you, US futures are all in the red. If you see S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones is down by 0.5%, S&P is down by 0.5%, and even Nasdaq is down by 0.5%, and European markets are all mixed. So what do you expect is that we expect that the market is likely to come on the downside is what I am expecting. So this is in terms of Nifty. We don't have to talk much about Nifty, but we can talk about Banknifty. Banknifty, in fact, has broken the very, very good support level of around 43,200 levels. 43,300 levels was a very, very good support, and you can see the chart. It is self-explanatory, and we are likely to touch maybe 42,000 in the coming days in Banknifty. So that is how we think, and you can see here also there is a formation of head and shoulder whatsoever, head and shoulder pattern. So this area is shoulder, this is also a head, and this is also a head pattern, and this is also a head pattern, and we are seeing market coming on the downside. So we can expect at least Banknifty to touch 42,000 in the coming days. So I advise to be cautious and play safe. And this is our PNL, and you can see we have lost around 30,594 rupees. Still we are in a profit of around how much? Still we are in a profit of around 5% this month. We were in a profit of around 7% last 2 or 3 days. It was before 2 days or before weekend, but we are at loss of around it's not loss, net to net. If you see, we are in profit only, maybe 5.5%. Another 4 more trading session to go in this October series. Not only October series, if you see last 2 or 3 months, we are kind of struggling. Even though we are showing profit in our expiry date rates, we find it very hard to manage this swing trades or positional trades or whatsoever. So every day gap up, gap down, and we find it very hard to manage these positions. So we'll see how things pan out. I hope you are all having shorting the calls, and that will be a very wise thing to do. Don't try to go long in this market, and there is everywhere negative news is there, and that people are talking about, like I read an article or people in our Telegram channel were discussing that whether it is TCS, whether it is HCL, or whether it is any IT company, they have stopped hiring people, which means they are predicting a recession in the US, right? So we'll see how things pan out. US markets are all in the red. We might gap down. Tomorrow is a local holiday. We'll see how things pan out. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.